Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope all is well. What I have here is the Schlage SC1 5-pin deadbolt that has been on my front door for approximately 20 years. As most of you know or may not know, I've only been picking, I guess I'm around the 10-month mark now. So I've taken it off and I just wanted to see what it would take to get into this. Like I said, it's been on the front door now for 20 years, still in top condition. Do have the key, so I'm going to pop it in the vise and let's see if we can do a few little tests on this thing here. So I've got it in the vise here. Let's try top of the keyway, and I've never had it out before. It's never been apart, so a couple of clicks of 2, 3. I don't imagine there being any type of security pins in this thing. But sparrows. Set. And there we are. Wow, so that's the deadbolt for my front door. SPP'D. I want to quickly close it up, I guess, and see if I could possibly rake it while I'm here. So we're going to try the worm rake. I imagine if somebody's going to try this, they're not going to be here long, so I'm going to try it counterclockwise. Okay, so looks like stood up to the rake. I'll go one more time this way. Okay, and the last thing I want to try to do is I want to try to bump this lock. So I've made a key there, which you can see they're all cut to the depths all the way down. Just got a bumper on it so I don't have to keep pulling it out after each wrap. Just use a screwdriver and see if a bump attack would work on this deadbolt. So here we go. Let's try it counterclockwise. And there we go. That did not take long to bump into this lock, guys. So that's a bump attack, and SPP. I gotta think that raking it felt like the core was binding a bit, but or else I would have had it. But that's what's been on my front door for the better part of 20 years, so that's pretty sad to think that we could do that. So I am going to gut it. Let's see what's inside. Like I said, it's never been opened before, so let's see what this has to offer. Okay, so there's the cylinder. Okay, let's get in there. Tailpiece in here. Pop this off. There we go. Tray for you guys. So there's a spring. Okay, so I do have the key here. I'm just going to rotate this slightly. And run a follower here. Yeah, sad enough that you could see it's a 5-pin, and could have easily been pinned up as a 6-pin as an SC4 core, but money talks. So pin number 1 standard, pin number 2 standard, pin number 3 standard, 4 and 5, so all standard pins. And we're going to go into the Bible here and see what's up top. Oh, very interesting. We have 5, so you have 4 commercial spools and a standard pin in number 5. find that spring. There we go. Well, I'd like to see if I could show you guys. So there's the spool used in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there we have it, guys. All standard key pins, 4 spools, and 1 standard in number 5. That's the deadbolt that's been securing my home for 20 years, which now has been changed. I will be putting something custom on it. A little shocked, but not surprised. And there's the key, 5-pinner. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was the first time I attempted the bump key technique, and clearly it's pretty scary that it works. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.